It's mid-July. We've already had 3 named tropical storms. Yeah, that's pacing a little bit ahead of normal. From the Storm Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. Thankfully, none of these storms have been significant, and they've been quick to form and quick to leave us. Anna, Bill, and Claudette. Of course, Bill did cause some problems in Texas, but here in Florida, we've been largely unscathed, and we will likely stay that way for at least the foreseeable future. However, I want to make a point here. There's a lesson to learn from Claudette. This was just a run-of-the-mill complex of thunderstorms that moved offshore, hit the warm Gulf Stream waters, and then blew up into this tropical storm. Now it's becoming post-tropical in the North Atlantic. But look, in its wake, several more clusters of thunderstorms developing, and some of them even headed for the Gulf of Mexico. We've got an unusual dip in the jet stream here with an unusually strong front meandering through the south and east. And check it out, water temperature is very warm in the Gulf and in the western Atlantic. So we're going to have to watch this area closely because something like what happened with Claudette conceivably could happen closer to Florida as well with this front nearby. It's unlikely that we're going to get any big storm coming out of the central Atlantic anytime soon because of our El Nino. But I want to point out something that, yes, storms do form close to the United States before July 15th, but there's this misnomer that when we get into August and September, we always have to look out into the Atlantic. It's not the case. Look at how many origin points there are between July 15th and October 15th near the United States. But thankfully, Future Track not showing any signs of development. We just have this front right here with clusters of storms potentially forming along it this weekend and next week. So we'll keep an eye out. But in the meantime, no tropical storm formation expected in the next 5 days across the Atlantic Basin.